Good morning! Another day ng exploring. Actually, ito yung the first city kung saan noon nung dumating kami dito sa sa Virginia. So, sabi ko, bisitahin natin. So, nag-visit kami ulit. So, ito yung Staunton Station. May siya, ito yung I think yun ang depo. Ang history kasi nito noon, dito yung 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 panahon ng slave trade noon nung mga 1800. Tapos ito pa yung mga buildings na naka-preserve nila. This is the Appalachian Piecework. And still, hanggang ngayon, ginagamit pa rin to ng Amtrak. Yan yung place na yun. Tapos may restaurant doon banda. Ganda tong place na to. Meron nga sila yung tinatawag na Ghost Tale of Staunton. Tapos kahit na itong mga train na na mga luma, still in existence yun. They still preserve the area. Ganda nitong place na to, very historical talaga. Sa taas merong yung viewing area nila. Sige, akyat nga para makita nyo. This is just a short introduction ng place. City of Staunton. Ayaw yata ng mga bata bumaba. Takot sila sa ghost. Talagang may ghost yan dito. Ghost of Staunton. So, we will see. Tingnan natin sa taas. May kita nyo yung yung view ng whole Staunton historical na area. Yan siya. So beautiful. Tagal din namin dito noon, mga 10 years din. It's so cute. Merong every September of each year, yung ano ba yung tawag nila, yung kay Harry Potter na birthday, dito yan, dito nila sineselebrate yun. I think this is this coming year I think 6 years na they are celebrating here yung Harry Potter na birthday. Kasi 'di ba kung tingnan mo yung place, talagang siya, parang bagay na bagay talaga. Tapos they're on top doon of that hill. I mean on top of the hill, nandun yung yung parang cemetery. Yun. Tapos kung makikita nyo from here, yun siya yung famous na point ko ba? Yan. Famous na clock ng Staunton, kung saan every 6 o'clock yata nagbe-bell siya. Tapos hindi ko lang matandaan kung anong movie, but it was shoot somewhere there. Yun. So, yun lang guys. I just want to show you how beautiful is Staunton. How can I go down na baka mahulog ako. I will hold here. So, punta kami ng yung isang restaurant na Mill Street Restaurant. Masarap kasi yung steak nila. So, we're gonna have our lunch there. Pero, siguro, park ko lang yung truck dito and then we're just gonna walk around doon. Okay guys, oh, that's it. Bye for now. I'll see you around. Baka mahulog ako. Alright. Ang taas din kasi oh. Tingnan nyo. Taas din oh. Yan. So I was there just now. Okay. Bye.